I need a present for my wife, and I need it in the next day or so. The good news is that I have a pretty good idea of what to get her. My daughter has a jewelry rack that she loves. My wife loves it too. The bad news is that it costs $100 on Etsy, and I need it faster than they can ship it. With some cork and hooks, I should be able to make the rest of this out of scrap wood and a little metal laying around the shop. I'll change the design a little, make it taller so that it'll handle more stud earrings, and while I'm at it, I might as well make 2 of these. One for my wife and one for my favorite sister-in-law. I like using the iPad for this sort of thing. It's easy to take a picture and then write measurements against that picture. It's also really handy to be able to look up my folder under projects in my Notability app and find my sketches and drawings and notes on a project even years after I've done the project. I evenly space the holes and use a spring-loaded punch to dimple the wood. This will keep the drill bit from wandering as I start the hole. Once I had the first set of holes, I used it as a quick jig to drill all the other holes. Then, in the secrecy of the sunroom, I finish up with an oil-based paint I used on the baseboards. Time for the hooks. I used this drill attachment and got some expert help to speed things up. The 1/2-inch cork was easily cut with a utility knife and came with an adhesive backing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was so satisfying.
I had a little bit of 3/16" steel rod on hand that I cut to size. A bit of encouragement with a tapered piece of metal rounded out the oval and fit the rod perfectly. A snap ring on each end keeps the rod from moving side to side. Uh-oh. Is that mommy coming?
No.
Keep an eye out. Insetting the hanging keyhole fasteners will hold the rack securely and flush to the wall. I added perhaps a few screws more than strictly needed to ensure the glued shelves stayed in place. Now my wife can get 10-pound hoop rings if she wants. We are a go, people.
Oh my goodness! It looks so good! I love it!
Okay. Yay! I'm so happy! Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for thinking of me.
Yeah, you
That's
bet.
the nicest thing you've ever done for me.
Mission success. Thanks for watching.